YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. It's your main man, Daym Drops, back again with another super official Foodie Fam Kid Ticket, baby. I know you can't hate. Listen, man. All right, guys, I want you to get excited because you know every time KFC drops a new flavor, right? They hit your boy Daym up. So this is a collaboration with me and KFC for their new fried chicken. It's not regular fried chicken, it's... yeah! Pickle fried chicken. This right here would happen to be the box of pickle fried chicken love that KFC hooked me up with. They're not sending this box out to anybody. This just happens to be your boy. You know, quick shout out to the Colonel. Oh man, there's some goodies here, Foodie Fam. Okay, pickle jars of love, finger licking, short time only. Oh shoot. Okay. Got some pickle action. I love pickles, okay. Pickle Band-Aids. Thank you, KFC, for the grab box of pickle love. I greatly appreciate you guys. Now I'm gonna mess around and show you guys a sandwich combo pickle fried chicken. I mean, you got the cookie, mashed potatoes with the love gravy. But what we all came to see is right here. Colonel, whoa, Colonel, where you going? Colonel, where you going? Slide up out the box, baby. All right, y'all, as you guys know, every time I do any type of collaborations with any given company, man, I do not rate the food, I showcase the food, because this is a paid sponsorship, and I like to keep it 100% funky with you. All right, oh, wait. Is that soft bun action? Yes, it is. But what's most important is sitting right here. I want to know, KFC. We're still trying to get all 11 spices to begin with. But what you guys are looking at would happen to be that pickle sauce love all over the fried chicken and more pickle creeping over here on the side. Let me lift the chicken up. Oh, to expose the pickle work. A little bit of that mayo. Slight work. Put that thing back down. Put that toasted bun back on top. And get right into it, Daym. Don't make the people wait any longer. How does it taste? Pickle fried chicken. How does it taste? Why are you so hot, boo? Why are you so hot to the touch? Because she's fresh. She's so fresh. That's why she's hot to the touch. Ooh. Makeup, you got me sweating. KFC, you got me sweating. Why? Foodie Fam. Why does it blend like that? Now listen, when you want to connect pickles to anything, you have to have what I like to call PB. Not PHB, you want PB, that's pickle balance. That means that you want the acidity levels of the pickle to slide on into whatever batter that matters, whatever drink that thinks. You want the pickle to slide on in and say, pickle, ickle, I am here, I am pickle, hear me roar. That's exactly what the pickle sauce is doing over the batter that matters at KFC. Now I'm getting the crunchiness of the chicken. That chicken is so tender. The batter is light. It's like a zang. That's zesty. That's flavorful. I'm getting garlic notes on this one right here. Little bit of, hold on, I'm trying to get this. Is that onion breath? Am I getting onion breath, KFC? That's onion breath. Look. And it's thick. And it's thick and plentiful. I don't know what you're doing with your life. Oh. Why is the bun just dissolving in my mouth? Oh, hold up. Hold on a second, y'all. Hold on. Because I got little pieces of batter. I got little pieces of pickle fried batter that are trying to escape. Come here, boo. Where you going? You can't leave the party until I say leave. Come here. Pickle work on my palate. I like it. It's a little kiss. That was a pickle kiss right there. Come here, let me get another pickle kiss. Yeah. I like you, boo. I like you. Here's the best part about it though, man. You're gonna be able to get the pickle fried chicken not only in the sandwich, but also in the tenders, in the chicken littles. KFC is going all out with this thing. You see the seasoning? That's pickle sauce bossed up just right over the chicken with a little bit of ickle pickle on the side. And we call that a win-win with a biscuit. Ooh. Is it my imagination? Don't you love chicken? Don't you love pickles? KFC's not playing any games. They took pickle sauce and lathered their crispy chicken in pickle sauce. They said, hey, you love chicken, don't you? Hey, you love pickles, don't you? Hey, let's put it together and make pickle fried chicken for their face piece. Ooh. Every bite got me messed up. Got me messed up in a good way. Cause that's that classic dill pickle. Vinegar coming through on the creep, laying low. Sliding down just right. And they was like, Daym. I said, what's up, KFC? They said, Daym. I said, KFC, what up? They said, Daym. I said, KFC? Say something to me, baby. They're like, yo, be sure to let your peoples know. Once it's gone, it's gone. This is gonna start on the 25th of June. Each location is just gonna get enough pickle sauce to work over their crispy chicken for maybe a few weeks. But when it's gone, it's out of there. Pickle kiss. And I tried Foodie Fam. I tried to talk to KFC. I was like, I'm like, KFC, what if this is a straight banger? What if it's so good to let go? They're like, Daym, what do you want us to do? I was like, make some more of that pickle sauce, baby. Make some more on the low, so at least you could bring it back. When it's gone, bring it back. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody brings something back. They said, Daym, we don't know. I said, KFC, don't play with my emotions, KFC. Because you know when you serve me up some of that fire, B, and this right here, when it comes to KFC's new pickle fried chicken, let me tell you something. When it's gone, it's gone. Hey guys, share this video out with friends and family because everybody needs to know what's happening right now. I know the flavors of pickles are big right now. This summer is gonna be a pickled out summer. KFC, they're already up on it with their pickle fried chicken. You might wanna get some. June 25th, they're gonna start coming to your KFC locations. But when it's gone, it's out of there. I don't wanna hear. I didn't tell you, I just told you. So share this out with your peoples. Hit the video with a thumbs up. Let's talk about it. I'll see you next video. You know how I get down every week. I'm about to see if I can go ahead and get up beside there and get some more. I'm out of here.